Forward chain is, well, if we could get to there, I want this outcome. This is the issue, I want to get this outcome. Well, if we could get to there, if we do a little bit more and more, we could get to here, and that would change the whole world. So that's forward chaining. You say, well, how about going more and more step? And then because somebody who's in the problem area is usually the worst to see the big perspective, because I get into this, it's my problem, it's my issue. That's why you have a team, that's why you do synetics. The other things that's equally fun, so it's always to say, well, how about going for this? Or how instead of going for any of that, why don't I just go for this? Okay? And there's a thing called backwards chaining, which is said, well, how did you get to there in the first place? And then what'd you do to get to there? And what'd you do to get to there? Oh, so you started here and you went down this road. Well, if you back up one more step and gone this road, you'd have trivially gotten to here. Okay, so that's called backwards chaining. So backwards chaining can be just as important. When people are stuck, they're not looking backwards or forward, they're in their mess. That's why synetics works so well.